In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily hide likes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And the first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Then if you want to hide likes on an existing post, you can open up that post. Now it says liked by that user and 27 others. And if I want to hide likes on that particular post, I can hit at these three dots and then select highlight count. Now it says liked by dead user and others. If you want to hide likes on a new pause, you can do it while creating a pause. Just to hit a plus sign, then select photo or video just like that. Then he did next again. And on that step you can easily find advanced settings. You can get into it and you will be taken to this page where you can easily find highlight and view counts. On this post, if you want to highlights on that particular post, you need to turn this feature on. After that you can go out back here. And then you can continue creating your post. You can add to their caption, tag someone, application, all that stuff. Once you've done with that, just hit add share. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video and see you in the next one.